Welcome. If you want to adjust minimap auto pathing in the League of Legends Wild Rift, at the first you have to go for the settings, then move to the controls, and then we have to scroll down, and here we can find this function. When you tap right here, we can also check the description of it. So basically, when we put our finger on the minimap, and for example we want to go on the bot lane, mid lane, or camp in the jungle, we can press on our minimap, and after that, when we turn on this option, our champ is going to follow this way. So it's very useful, and I can recommend you to turn it on, and you can do this by tapping right here. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.